So here is the lemonade. So yummy. You're gonna put more of the ice cubes, distilled water. So you get this yummy cup. Voila. Very nice pure juice. Organic lemon. Yeah. There you go, guys. Tagay na. Cheers. Some people they did lemonade with vodka. Since I'm not drinking, we're not drinking, so no more vodka. I mean, no exactly vodka. Some people they do ladies drink with this too, and they eat this like that. That's nice lemon. Really sour and juicy. There you go, guys. Our lemonade for today. Thank you for watching. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed this, lovely friends. Hi guys, how are you all doing? A lot of you wanted us to make the lemonade after we make the video for a lot of lemons, organic lemons. There you go, guys. Look at this giant humongous lemon here. Very smell good. Oh, see a lot of lemon still here. I didn't make the juice yet, but anyway, now I make the lemonade. Since my electric juicer or something to make the lemon or in the oranges, it's not working, something faulty with the machine. So what I do is this. So what you do, just cut this lemon. You know, all my kababayan there, magawa tayo ng juice, guys. We'll make the juice just like that. So the reason make lemonade is like a social, but actually it's a lemon juice. So there you go. So I got some water here. Also I got some honey. Our honey is not enough anyway, so I'm gonna make some honey, and then probably I'm gonna make some of the sugar. Why not? I got some brown sugar there. So we do this. So let's make the lemonade. Yes. So I'll come back, guys. I'll do this with a lot of juice here. Cheers. All right, my lovely friends. Here is the lemon, that probably 4 lemon juice already there. I cut it, and there is more. I probably left some few so I can put this in the freezer. So you just do like that. So in the manual, sometimes it takes a while, but it's fine. I get used to it. So soon probably we're gonna make to wait to shop to buy this electric one. So it's easy to make, but even this one is pretty good. It's like a really old school, this one. So I don't chop all of this, even the pips. So what I do, I put this one here. Yeah, that's what I do. Lemonade or lemon juice. There. Squeeze more. And then in here I got this one. So I'm going to put this one on here, just to strain them, you know. It's beautiful. Okay, you're gonna get some more. Alright, keep squeezing it, guys. It's really a lot of challenges when you do manual thing, you know, but as I said, I like manual. There's some things with the manual I like instead of electric. But sometimes the electricity, it's make your life easier, you know. It's easy as well, guys, and it's not difficult one. So cheers. We're gonna make this one more. Okay, I don't know what's happening there. Alright, check this. So I'll make a lot here. So that's our lemonade already, guys. Alright. We are going to strain this so that you don't have any pips or no anything fresh in here. So I got strainer here. Alright. Just gonna put this in the lovely blue pitcher here, as you can see. Wow, that's a lot of lemon, like really a lot of lemon, guys. See that? It must have been really alright. See, that's it. So make sure I strain this. Also, you know, this one, if you can eat them, they are good too. So I guess I'm going to blend them. So but again, I didn't remove the pips anyway. if you want to do that, you can go do that and then remove the pips, then you can blend them, and then it just goes with the juice, so you don't get anything go. All right, I think I should blend them too once this I run out of pips, because this is still really nice organic one. So once you blend this, it will be nice and fine too. Why not? So I'm going to put this somewhere away. Actually, I'm going to put this one here. This is already water, filtered water, not filtered, distilled water with the honey to make it sweeten. So I remove the pips. So I put the bones or whatever you call that, seeds. I put that. So I put this in the blender. The rest here, I'm going to do the same until I'm done all this, and I remove the pips one by one. So the rest here, guys, I will finish this later, but for now I'm gonna show you how I did it with the lemonade. So remove that, or if you can butter it, you can chuck them, you know, but my mom and dad taught us not to throw this one here. Instead, remove this, and then we include this in our glass where the juice is. But I don't want to get to it with all this granules thing. What I do is go get my blender, and then I'm just going to find this fiber. They're really nice too. Actually, here you go. So I put this one here, get my blender juicer, then with the honey and this, and we're gonna put more honey on this. Actually, you can use honey, maple syrup, or any kind of sugar to sweeten your thing. All right, guys, I'll be back because I'm gonna blend this one. All right, guys, I come back now. Here it is. You got honey and things that's already. So here's my Blendaco blender. This one here. All right, exactly good one. So we'll put the lid on. Then we are gonna shake this. All right. If it's already okay. Oh yeah, it's gone. All right, a little bit more. I could see a tiny bit, but it's good. It's better than the before or earlier. Okay, just like that, guys. It's so quick. And boil. There you go. It's all this thing is here. So this time I'm not gonna. I'll add it soft and fine. Exactly we want it. There you go. Wow, nice. So strong. Hence you put this with the honey and sugar or whatever you got. You can put a lot of sugar on it too if you're using sugar. I'll add more honey on this. Cheers, guys. That's what we made our lemonade. Now you can put this in the fridge to cool down, or either put some ice on them. So nice and tasty and yummy. There you go. Easy to make lemonade. Yum. Let me pour it. First, I'm gonna go get some cubes, ice cubes. Some ice cubes here. This one is full of lemons already. Organic one. Let me put this one here. The ice, this one is already nice and sweet. So let me pour this one here. The nice glass. Voila, guys. We have a lemon. Yummy lemonade. That's it. How easy is that? Look at that. Pure juice of lemonade. Organic lemon. Nice harvest. There you go. What else you ask for, guys? That's how you made it. It's so nice and easy, and it's very nice diet for you too. Beautiful lemonade. Cheers, guys. So you're gonna make some a nice decor of lemon So you see this one, and then with the decorative lemon on here. There. Yummy. So you put some lemon here to decor, and voila, it's really yummy. Okay, let me try this one. Ow, super strong, but same time is sweet. So you have to put more water here, so less stronger. So most of them, probably I put this in the freezer in the ice cubes, so next time we're gonna use it, I got straight away lemonade in the glass like this. Cheers.